Welcome to another Jonesview JA update of Highway 2000 expansion project. In this video, we are in the parish of Clarendon, Jamaica, and I am hoping that this video will give you an experience as if you were driving on the highway. Now, my viewers, the starting of the video was showing you towards the new Maypen exit and entrance as shown in my previous video, but now we are traveling westwards towards the next exit and toll plaza in Toll Gate, which can also be seen in my updates. Here we are approaching Fogar Road. Now my viewers, to your right coming up in the background, you'll see the traffic traveling on the main A2 road, which leads you onto Fogar Road. Now my viewers, the road to your right, I'm noticing that there isn't any guardrail installed on that section.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time?
Now my viewers, we are coming up on Denby Drive, which runs underneath the highway. Now my viewers and subscribers, it has been said by one of the members of parliament that these roads leading up to the highway will be resurfaced. Now let us keep our fingers crossed about that promise. Now guys, coming up we will be making a quick detour just to check out this community that is up ahead. Oh my God, look on the landscape. Isn't this beautiful? This is a paradise. Now guys, let us get back to our featured presentation. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far, and please to remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. I know my regular viewers must be tired of hearing this, but please remember to watch the ads. It helps the algorithm, and it also helps with me providing you with content. Now my subscribers, as bad as things may seem, isn't Jamaica a paradise? Like any other country, we have our good and our bad, but this place is beautiful. It is said that Jamaica is a land of wood and water, but because of mismanagement, we have a problem providing water for our residents.
I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bane making plays till we crashing.
Now we're approaching Content Road, but guys, please to have a look. Should we really call this a road?
Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas, no way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas, stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out.
Viewers, here we are looking at evidence of many days of torrential rainfalls.
Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget, let's remind them, be my ride. All gas. No way they
We are now en route to Osborne Store underpass.
could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas, stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try to keep up. Still rough around the edges. I guess that some things never change. Yeah, I know that it's been ages, but it kinda feels the same. No matter how hard you try, you cannot push me out, so just listen. I've been thinking of you since you broke it and moved to LA. Can we stay here for a while until everything's alright again? That's cool with you, cool with you, cool with you. 'Cause that's cool with me, cool with me, cool with me. Is that cool with you, cool with you, cool with you? 'Cause that's cool with me, cool with me, cool with me. Maybe I am selfish, 'cause I want you to myself. And I know your friends are waiting, but we both know we wanna stay just like nothing has changed. No matter how hard you try, you cannot push me out, so just listen. I've been thinking of you since you broke it and moved to LA. And no matter how hard I try, I cannot get you out of my system. I know we both got some things left to say. Can you stay a little longer? Can I make you change your mind? Yeah, I know that it's over, but can we stay here for a while until everything's alright again? That's cool with you, cool with you, cool with you. 'Cause that's cool with me, cool with me, cool with me. Is that cool with you, cool with you, cool with you? 'Cause that's cool with me, cool with me, cool with me. Just stay a little longer. Can I make you change your mind? Just stay a little longer before it's time to say goodbye. Just stay a little longer. Can I make you change your mind? Just stay a little longer before it's time to say goodbye.
Now viewers, if you are new to the channel and not yet subscribed and you reach this far in the video, that simply means that you need to press that subscribe button because you are enjoying my footage so far. Viewers, we are now approaching Osborne's store. Well, that is the name they call this road.
You were passing by, surrounded by all those butterflies. Suddenly they flew right in my heart. Must have looked like a living piece of art. From that moment I knew that it would be you. Yeah, from that moment I knew it could only be you. I wrote your name up on my wall, circled in an arrow heart. Somehow you made me feel whole. I wouldn't have to be alone. No, I would never be alone. No, I would never be alone.
My viewers and subscribers, because the rain was actually beating on my back, I could not have finished the journey onto Decoy Road and then Tollgate. But if you go and view my previous video of Tollgate, you will actually see Decoy Road and the rest of the highway coming from the other direction. In the far distance to the north, you will find the mountains of Clarendon. And in the south, you will find that flat grassland filled with beauty. My viewers and subscribers, I hope you guys enjoy the coverage. But let's get home. We need more footage, so we need to protect this drone from this rain. Now guys, if you are still here, thank you for watching.